So, in this video, the first topic that we are going to cover is overloading. Now, the word overloading in real world would mean that someone carrying more than his capacity. That is overloading. Everyone has a limit to himself, but overloading is if you are carrying more than your capacity. But in terms of electricity, it is almost same. This diagram can help you to understand what overloading means. If you see the diagram, there are so many appliances connected to a single system. Electric circuits are designed to handle a limited amount of electricity, and overload occurs when you draw more electricity than a circuit can safely handle. The electricity usage of each device adds to the total load on the circuit. Exceeding the rated load for the circuit wiring causes circuit breaker to trip. It means the all power will shut down in the entire circuit. So there is a safe or limited amount of electricity that is given to each circuit that they can safely handle. But if you exceed the usage, for example, you are using two fans in your home, suddenly you switch on the geyser also, switch on the AC also. So on the electricity board, the board, the from where electricity is coming to house, there is a load there. If it exceeds the safety handle, it will get overloaded, and overloaded can shut all the power down. Nowadays we used to have in our homes MCBs. What does MCB does? If there is overloading in the circuit, it trips down, and you just switch it on back again, and your appliance start working again. But before MCB, we used to have a different device. We had a electric fuse. This what electric fuse used to look like. It still might be present in older homes, but they all are being replaced by MCBs now. Now, what is meant by electric fuse? It is a safety device that can stop current from flowing if it becomes overloaded. So, if current becomes overloaded, this device shut himself first. The wire inside the fuse melts and the circuit break. So, it will not allow your appliance to get damaged. This save your appliances from when they get overloaded. It save your appliance from heavy current coming to them and damaging them. Next is short circuit. Now we oftenly hear that a short circuit happened in a godown or a shop or a building. Now what actually short circuit means? In the last video we discussed about three wires: neutral wire, live wire, earth wire, right? So short circuit occur when neutral wire and live wire come in contact. If both the wires somehow their insulation breaks. Now insulation break due to many reasons. If the insulation break and they both come in contact, the sparks will appear at the same time, and that situation is called as short circuit.